right, ready for workbook? Hello? I can help you. I know, Big Ugly Hand. Friends always help.
Hello again. These are pages 56 and 57 in the Let's Go 4 workbook. And this is the start of Unit 7. And we're going to learn about the future tense again with future plans. So we're going to be talking about things that have not happened yet that can happen at a later time, the future. Remember, the future just easily means after now. And to do this, we're going to be using the going to pattern. But first, let's talk about this dialogue, which was in our student books, and it looked like this.
What are you going to do this weekend?
I'm going to stay home. What about you?
I'm going to play hockey. I'm going to play in a tournament.
Wow, that sounds exciting. Good luck. I hope you win.
Thanks.
Okay, and now that we're back, we're going to do part A, which says unscramble and write. So here we have Jenny talking to Andy, and they're talking about what they are going to do on the weekend. So first, Andy asks Jenny, and he says, "This weekend are what you going to do?" Which is all mixed up. What he should say is, "What are you going to do this weekend?" So let's write that. What are you going to, and there's the future part, do this weekend? We're going to run out of space. That's okay. I can write it right over the question mark and put my own question mark. Jenny says, "I'm going to stay home." Number 2, Jenny asks Andy, "What about you?" And Andy says, "Hockey, I'm going to," which is mixed up again. So Andy should be saying, "I'm going to play hockey." Let's write that in for Andy. I'm going to play hockey. And done. Okay, now let's go to number 3. In number 3, Andy's just talking, giving some more information to Jenny. And Andy says, "In a tournament, I'm to play going," which is very mixed up. In the book, and what Andy should be saying is, "I'm going to play in a tournament." That's cool, Andy. So Andy's going to play in a round of games. That's a tournament. In a tournament, if you win the first game, then you get to go to the next game. And if you win all the games, then you win the tournament. Tournament. Okay, Jenny says, "Wow, that sounds exciting." All right, and then last, Jenny's leaving, and she says something nice to Andy, and she says, "Luck good, you. I hope win." Okay, well, in the book, it was, "Good luck. I hope you win." But here it's a little bit mixed up because I see the period is first and then the exclamation mark is here. So we're going to change what it said from the student book, and let's write, "I hope you win" first. I hope you win. So it's a little different from the student book. And then Jenny can say, "Good luck." And we have to do this because there's a period here and an exclamation mark here. So if we switch them, then it would sound like this. "Good luck. I hope you win." So to make it sound natural and nice, we switch them. "I hope you win. Good luck." And then Andy says, "Thanks." All right, and that's it. So let's go to part B. All right, this is part B, and on this part it says match and write the letter. So we have over here all of the future activities that were in the student book. We're just going to draw a line from the action word to the rest of the phrase, and then we're going to match it to what letter, what picture it was. In the student book, it looked like this.
See a play.
Plant flowers.
Play ice hockey.
Go shopping.
Go horseback riding.
Play softball.
All right, let's start. The first one is done for us. Play what? Play softball. and that's picture D, which is right here. Softball is almost the same as baseball. A little bit of a bigger ball, and they throw the ball underhand instead of overhand. Next, plant what? Plant flowers. There we go. Put some flowers in the ground. So the flowers are right here, C. All right, next one. Go a play, no. Go horseback riding, sure. Go shopping, sure. Go ice hockey. Okay, this go can match to horseback riding or shopping. I'm going to match it to here because it's closer. Horseback riding, right there. It's E, go horseback riding. The next one, C, what can we see? See a play. See a play. And that is F, right there. Next one, go shopping. Okay, go shopping is A, I guess. Oh yeah, here they're shopping for coats. So that's A. And then the last one is play ice hockey. And that is B. Okay, and part B is done. Okay, and this is part C. It says write the questions and answers. In our student books, the question pattern looked like this. And to make it here again, this is the future tense pattern. So first we put a person, it could be I, or he, she, or they. And then we match it to a be verb. So I am, or say I'm, she, he, it is, they are. And then we use the future tense part, going to. And then we tell our action. I am going to do part C. She is going to study English hard. They are going to practice their future tense actions. Let's do part C. What are they going to do? Well, they're going to play softball. So copy that in. They're going to, or for talking, we could say they're gonna play softball. Okay, number 2, what is he going to do? Going to do. He is, so he's going to play ice hockey. Number 3, this is a girl, so we'll start about her. What? And then she matches to is. So what is she going to do? Going to do. She is, so she's going to, this one was go horseback riding. Go horseback. And I am out of space, so I'm gonna put riding down here. Riding, period. Number 4, 2 people here, so we should say what? This would be they, so we use are they. What are they going to do? And they are, so we can change it to they're going to plant flowers. Plant flowers. Great, and we are all done. Very nice job, everybody.